Well, today we are doing a feature on the rough country roof we ordered in for this 1995 Jeep YJ. This fits 87 to 95 Jeeps, and when I was searching for a new soft top, actually I was looking for hard top doors, could not get any hard top doors anywhere right now. Could not find a company that made soft top half doors that fit a factory hard top roof. Apparently that is a huge dilemma right now. Searched a lot of websites for this. So Rough Country makes a roof that if you have your factory Jeep half doors and your factory Jeep soft top frame, that's what it fits. So this Jeep had the serial number still on those half doors, so I just made an assumption that they must be an original door, must have the original soft top. I read online by a few other guys that if you don't have the factory Jeep soft top frame, you have another brand. All you have to do is order the hardware kit from Rough Country and you can make it fit. So I had priced out complete kits and they ranged anywhere from $1,100 to $1,600. And that's my cost through my accounts. And then I looked on Rough Country's website and $279 US, you can get this entire kit. I kept second guessing myself thinking, well, how is it everybody else is $1,100 to $1,600 and those guys do it for under $300? I thought maybe it's not all included. It is all included. You get the entire roof, you get half door tops, you get the side windows that zip in, and you get the rear window that zips in, and you even get a semi-tinted plastic window, which I did not realize on their website. So that's awesome. Fitment, it actually fits really good. Things are really snug when you're doing it, so you want to heat it up in the shop as much as you can, get it stretch a little bit. The toughest part is the doors. Now, if you look at the passenger door right along there, see that seal? I've not got this one over top of this bar yet. These need to go over top and stick to the Velcro, and this one's giving us a little grief because it's so tight, but it will loosen off after time. So we'll have to adjust that in a little bit. You can see how much it's pulling on the material. So when you were installing this, and we have not even looked at the instructions still, it's on, never opened them. You start at the front, you just clip the little flat part, will slide right in all the way down the front, and then tighten the roof all the way up to the back. This bar here on the inside also has a crossbar that just drops down so that this bar can fold back. You're going to want to do that, and when you're completely finished everything else, then you can push this bar back and it'll tighten everything up. So, put the roof on. Do not do all these snaps here yet until you are completely finished. That's just going to make a pain for you. Kind of tightens everything up. Zip the windows in is what we did first. I was able to zip the windows in, tuck all of this into the little edge that you have to tuck it into. There's an edge here you have to tuck under, and then this corner has to be tucked under. So you get all those tucked in. It's a lot easier to zip this window in too before you get everything together and just flip it over the roof. Keep it out of your way. So once you get everything hooked in all the way around, all the windows zipped in, then if you have two guys it works better. Take this bar and just push it all the way back and it will literally just tighten the entire roof up. And that was it. It was super easy to do. And the doors, of course, they just hook underneath on the little edge as well. But it really wasn't that difficult. We never looked at the instructions, never done a Jeep top ever. So Rough Country, you guys are awesome. $279 US. By the time it got to Canada, depending on who you're using for shipping, it'll be around the $400, $450 range. I guess depends on where you are too, but that's it. It was that simple. Rough Country, thank you. We will be using you guys a lot more.